how are you? I like to be with you. Yes, you. And you and you and you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Teacher Joy's YouTube channel. And I'm very happy that today we're going to learn another letters. Can you guess what letters that we're going to learn today? Can you see my head? Oh, lion, very good. Lion is the king of the jungle. Roar. But you know what is the beginning sound of lion? When you say lion, what's the beginning sound? L, very good. Today we're going to learn this letter. L. L, very good. And this is how we write down L. Very easy. This is the very easy letter to write. From the top line, you go straight, go down, touch the bottom line, and that's it. That's how you write down L. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. L. Yes. And today, I will show you what are things begin with L. And I have this shiny magic box. Can we open and see what's inside? Yes. Let's open it. Oh, what happened with the box? The shiny magic box cannot be opened. What? Why? Why do you think? Oh yes, exactly. We need to say the spell for this. What's the spell? Let me tell you. Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. Can you say it? Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. Ready, set, go. Aha! What's that? Lion. Lion begins with L. Very good. Let's do it again. Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. What else? Lamp. What is that? Lamp. Lamp. You need lamp at night, right? Otherwise, your house will be dark. Lamp begins with L. Good job. Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. Leaf. Yes, leaf begins with L. Yes, leaf begins with L. Excellent. Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. Wow, that's everyone's favorite. Lollipop. Correct. Lollipop begins with L. Well done. And let's do it again. What else? Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. Lips. Lips. Can you touch your lips? Lips. Lips begins with L. Well done. And we still have more. Wait, I think we still have. Let's do it again. Now it's your turn. Can you say it? Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. What is that? Lamp. Lamp. Alright, lamp. Now let me tell you. This is lamp. And this one is lamp. 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 Both of them begins with L. Well done. Do you still have? I guess it's the last one. Ready to open and want to find out what inside my shiny magic box? Let's say the spell together. Shiny magic box. Open it up, please. I know the taste of this. What is this? Lemon. Lemon begins with L. Have you ever tasted lemon? Sour, yes. But if you put honey, oh, that's gonna be delicious. I love lemonade. How about you? You like it? That's how your face look like when you taste lemon. But it's very healthy. Alright, I guess that's what we have inside my shiny magic box. Are you ready for the next letter? Get ready. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man was snoring. Oh, it's raining today. How about in your place? Is it raining? Yes or no? But when it's raining, you need something to cover your body. What is that? Umbrella. Umbrella begins with so I guess you know what is the next letter that we're going to learn today. Yes, the name of the letter is U, but the sound is So we will just learn about the sound today. And this is how you write down You start from the broken line in your book, and then you go down, touch the bottom line, but you climb up, and stop on the broken line, and you go down, touch the bottom line, and don't forget to give a short tail here. Alright, I guess you can do it. Can you do it again? Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Go down and up, and go down, touch the bottom line. Well done, everyone. Now, we're going to learn what are things begin with Can you say it again? What's the sound? Well done. Good job. Now, I will close my hands, and then when I shake it 3 times and I blow it, you will see something inside. So ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Umbrella. Yes, umbrella begins with Very good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. What is that? Undershirt. Undershirt begins with, what is it? Very good. You're so good now. Well done. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Up. Yes, that's an arrow pointing up. Up in the air. Up begins with Good job. Now, I still have one more. Close it, and then let's shake it. 1, 2, 3. Under. Under begins with Under the table, under the tree, under the chair, under. Well, good job. You have learned letter U, and the sound is Next, you're going to learn another letter.
Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you toss them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low?
All right, everyone. Today, Teacher Jess is wearing something that related to dog. Yes, I have my ears hanging low, and look at my nose too. Can you guess what is the letter that we're going to learn next? Yes, D. D. The name of the letter is D, but the sound is D. And this is how you write down D. This is very important because sometimes you will mix up with letter B. So in B, you will write down the line first and then the big tummy. But in D, this is how you start. From the broken line, and then you make K, and then you go up and touch the bottom line. Alright? Ready? One more time. Let's try it. From the broken line, make a curved line, like making letter K. And then you start from the top line again and stop at the bottom line. D. Say it again. D. Now, let's find out what are things begin with D. Yes, D. I will snap my finger and you will see it in my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dog. Dog begins with D. D, D, dog. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Dice. Dice begins with D. Excellent, everyone. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Drum. Drum begins with D. Yes. And next. 1, 2, 3. Dress. Dress begins with D. D, D, dress. Now it's time for you to help me to snap your finger. And let's find out what's gonna be here on my hand. Ready? Let's do it together. Can you snap with me? 1, 2, 3. What is it? Dinosaur. Dinosaur begins with D. D, D, dinosaur. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Dig. Dig begins with D. Good job. And this is the last one. 1, 2, 3. Let's snap together. Doll. Exactly. Doll begins with D. Alright, everyone. That's what we have learned today. We have learned letter O, A, D. Well done. Very good. I hope you enjoy studying with Teacher Joyce. And thank you for watching. Bye.